Welcome. Standard 4. Subject Computer. Lesson number 1. Fundamentals of Computers Part 2.
Today we are going to study about the parts of a computer. A computer is a system of many software and hardware components which are working together, students. Most common hardware in the desktop computer system are Central Processing Unit, that is CPU. Do you know, students, that the CPU is a combination of internal parts of the computer such as the motherboard, memory and processor. It is often referred to as the brain of the computer, students. Monitor. The monitor is similar to a television screen. Hence, it is also called a screen. It is an output device. It displays the results of the data which is been entered through the input device. Which are the input devices? Mouse and the keyboard. And it is also used for viewing the web pages, photos and videos, students. Keyboard. The keyboard is an input device. It allows you to type any text and even you can send commands to a computer, students. Computer keyboard is having keys with numbers and even letters on it. And we are using it for typing letters, stories and to perform mathematical operations. Mouse. The mouse is an input device which is connected to the computer by a cable. The mouse causes a pointer or cursor to appear on the screen. Mouse is used to point and select a text and also to click on a link on a web page. For smoother functioning, we can keep it or we can place it on a mouse pad, students. Mouse movements and its functions. For single click, you have to select an object on the screen by pressing down the left mouse button with your index finger once and then you have to release the button, students. For drag and drop, drag an object on the screen by pressing and holding down the left mouse button with your index finger while moving the mouse. Now, when you put the object where you want it to be, then release the button. Next, double click. Double click means rapidly press and release the left mouse button twice with your index finger. This action opens a file, folder or document. Right click. You have to press and release the right mouse button with your middle finger. A right click will display a list of commands related to that item on the screen. Printer. A printer is an output device used to print the documents and pictures on a paper, students. The data from the computer is printed on that paper, which is also called as the hard copy. Types of printers. Impact dot matrix printers. A set of closely spaced pins and a ribbon which is printing the letters or other characters on a particular page. Laser printers. Laser printer operates by the shining a laser beam which is used to produce a image. Inkjet printers. Inkjet printers spray some tiny ionized drops of ink onto a page so that it will create an image. Plotters. Plotters are large-scale printers that are very accurate at reproducing line drawings, and they are commonly used for technical drawings such as the engineering drawings or the architectural blueprints. Label printers. Label printers are the smartest way to print labels one at a time. You must have seen this in malls, right? I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.